Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze, and we'll show you guys if your sun visor does not stay up, let's say it hangs down, we'll explain how to fix that and how to remove and replace the clip that holds the sun visor up. Make sure you stay with us until the end. We're going to explain a few things. If you need to buy a new replacement part guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so you can actually buy parts for your car there guys for a very good price and fast shipping. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and every car we get at the shop, and we do all that guys so we can save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you'll find the information helpful. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. Now I'll demonstrate on the driver's side, but passenger side is exactly the same. Why that thing can break? Because when you pull your sun visor up and down eventually guys, it can break. This is it I'm talking about right here. Let's say your sun visor is just hanging, like that. This is because guys, that clip right here will be broken. It will not support the sun visor. So how we fix that now? Pretty simple. Let me explain quick. We need to guys get a small flathead screwdriver. Small flathead screwdriver, and right here there is one special opening where you're going to open the cap. Like that. Now underneath there guys, you have one screw that we need to remove, and this screw guys is actually with a Torx. Torx bit right here. I think this one is a let me check if I can find it out. Probably I think it's Torx 15. Torx 15 or Torx 20. We'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, and we're going to go ahead and remove that screw now. Let me actually see where exactly it is, because I need to get a little bit of light. Perfect, like this one. So remove that screw all the way, and when you remove it guys, your clip will come out as well. You can see this is guys your sun visor clip. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together, practically everything is in reverse order. We took it apart, not very complicated at all. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to repair that. If you need to purchase a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.